Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Thrifty Mommy. So today we are at Walmart. I'm here to complete my midweek haul. So I am in the quiet part of the store to film my intro because it's pretty late at night and it was dark in the car and I was afraid you guys weren't going to see me, so I decided to film it in store. So for my midweek moneymaker, I got $1 for 10 offers. Not the greatest in the world, just Ibotta's not showing me any love, but I got a pretty good list going. I got 10 offers, some repeat deals, some newer deals. There's not much going on Ibotta to really do some great deals this week. Hopefully on Thursday everything will pick up and we get some newer rebates. So I'm really excited to head in store, show you what I pick up. At the end of the video, I will do a snapshot of my cart and just show you everything I picked up and how much everything cost after I submitted my receipt. So let's head into the store and grab these deals. Alright guys, so the first deal we're going to be picking up is this Nivea Nourish by Nature. It is $5.84 in my store. You're going to pick up one and you can use a 2 off of 1 coupon that is printable off of coupons.com, or you can submit to the coupons.com app. Now if you're going to submit to the app, you would have to pick up either the Nourishing or the Calming because those are the ones that are attaching to the coupons.com app. This one isn't. So I'm going to pick up one of these. I'm going to submit to the coupons.com app. That'll leave me to pay $3.84 in store. And then I'll submit over to Ibotta for $2.50 back, making my final cost for one of these just $1.34. So I'm going to pick up one of these Neutrogena Hydro Boost masks. So these are $2.56 in my store. When I was going through my coupons today, I did find an extra $3 off of 1 coupon from the 912 Smart Source. So I'm going to use one of these and that'll make one of these completely free and a 44-cent moneymaker. Next thing I'm going to be picking up is on these Suave Professionals shampoo. They are $1.98. So I'm going to pick up 3 of these. That'll total me $5.94. I have this $1.50 off of 2 coupon I printed off of Suave emails. This was back in September, so make sure you check your emails. And then I have this $1 off of 1 that I also printed from the September emails. If you're not signed up for Suave emails, I'll link it down below in the Google Doc so you guys can sign up for Suave emails. That'll leave me to pay in store $3.44. Then I'll submit to Ibotta for $2 back on each of the bottles. That'll make my final cost for all 3 completely free and a $2.56 moneymaker. Now, if those coupons happen to beep and I don't have an associate pass those coupons for me, these will still be completely free and about a 6-cent moneymaker. So you can still pick them up for completely free. It just won't be a huge moneymaker. Then you can also pick up these shampoos down here. These I posted over on my Instagram. These are $1.94. So you can pick up these and it's a limit of 3. So you can pick up 3 of these and each one will be a 6-cent moneymaker without using any coupons. So you have a couple of options. If those coupons do not work for you, at least you'll get 3 shampoos for completely free. Next, we're going to be picking up the Huggies Natural Care Wipes. These are $1.90. They still reset over on the app for 50 cents back, making your final cost for one of these just $1.40. So I am at a different store today and I was able to find the skin condoms, the smaller pack, at $2.58. So I'm going to pick up 2 of these. That'll total me $5.16. I'm going to submit over to Inbox Dollars for $3 back when you pick up 2. And then over to Checkout 51 for $2.27 back, or $4.54 when you pick up 2. That'll make my final cost for 2 of these completely free and a $2.38 moneymaker. I'm going to pick up one of these Gatorade Zero with protein. These are $1.78. I'm going to pick up one and submit over to Fetch for $1 back, and then over to Ibotta for 50 cents back, making my final cost for one of these just 28 cents. The rebate you guys can pick up is on this Rockstar energy drink. I'm not going to be picking it up, but I want to tell you guys about it. It is $1.50, and over on Ibotta there is 50% back, or 75 cents back on one, making your final cost for one of these just 75 cents. Next thing I'm going to be picking up is on the Kraft salad dressing. So on the Ibotta rebate, it says it has to be 14 ounces or higher in order to get the rebate. So I'm going to pick up one of these that are $1.87. I'm going to submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back, making my final cost for one of these just $1.37. Next, I'm going to pick up one of these chicken of the sea salmon packets. These are $1.22. I'm going to submit to Ibotta for 25 cents back, making my final cost for one of these just 97 cents. Next deal I'm going to be picking up is on the Purdue nuggets. So I'm going to pick up 3 packets. They are priced at $2.98 each. That'll total me $8.94. I'm going to be using this dollar off of 2 coupon. I printed this off of the Purdue website, and I'll link it in the Google Docs so you guys can sign up for the emails and get this coupon. That'll leave me to pay $7.94 in store. And then I'm going to submit to Ibotta for $1.50 back on each one. And then $1.50 bonus when I pick up 3. That'll make my final cost for all 3 of these just $1.94 or 65 cents each, which is such an amazing deal. Next deal I'm going to be picking up is on the Splenda Monk Fruit Liquid Sweetener. These are $3.48 in my store, so I'm going to pick up 2 of these. That'll total me $6.96. I'm going to be using this 4 off of 2 coupon from the 11/14 save. That'll leave me to pay $2.96 in store. And then I'm going to submit to Ibotta for $2 back on each one, making both of these free and $1.04 moneymaker. So this is not the best deal in the world, but anytime I can get a little bit of savings on some juice, I'm going to go ahead and pick it up. So the Simply Orange juice is $3.78 in my store. You can pick up the regular or the light. Submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back, making your final cost for one of these just $3.28. Final deal I'm going to be picking up is on the Starbucks Nitro Brew. So these are $3.28 in my store. I'm going to pick up one and submit over to Ibotta for $1.50 back, making my final cost for one of these just $1.78. Alright guys, so we made it back home from our shopping trip over at Walmart, and this is everything I picked up today to complete my midweek bonus. So I decided to do the breakdown at home because I kind of wanted to explain a couple of things. I really thought I was going to have some issues with some of the coupons I was going to use, and I actually did not. So the first thing I wanted to mention was on the Suave coupons. So those coupons are in the September emails. So if you guys signed up for Suave emails, you should have those coupons. If not, I will link down below in the description so you can sign up for Suave emails so you can get these coupons. But if you are able to print out these coupons, you can get this for completely free and a nice little money maker. Now, the other issue I thought I was going to have was on the Purdue chicken nuggets. So the dollar off of 2 coupon that I printed off of the Purdue website worked perfectly fine for these items. The only issue I had was on Ibotta. So the $1.50 bonus for purchasing all 3 of the items was supposed to work. There was no indication in the bonus saying whether or not I had to do a separate shopping trip or any unique offers. It just said pick up 3 and you will get a $1.50 bonus. So I had to submit a ticket over to Ibotta. I'm still waiting on that. I will let you guys know the response over on my Instagram or on the community tab whether or not I got the $1.50 back. Other than that, I didn't really have any other issues with any of the coupons, and our shopping trip went pretty smoothly. So I want to go ahead and jump into like our totals, how much we got back on the rebate apps, and our final cost. So for everything that you see here, I paid a total of $38.94. I went ahead and submitted my receipt first to Ibotta, and I got back $20.75 in rebates. I completed my dollar bonus for completing 10 offers, so that was $21.75 on Ibotta. Then over on Fetch, I got a total back of $1.36. I got the dollar back for getting the Gatorade Zero, and I got some additional points for submitting my receipt for all the other items. Then over on checkout 51, I got a total back of $4.54. So it was $2.27 for each of these skin condoms. Over on Inbox Dollars, I did submit for $3 back when you pick up 2 of the skin condoms. That went through perfectly fine with no issues whatsoever. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that deal, you can do that deal up to twice per receipt. I only had about 2 rebates left on checkout 51, so I only did it once. Then finally, I went ahead and submitted my receipt over to coupons.com and I got $2 back for the Nivea. Remember, I did say on the clip, only certain Nivea Nourish by Nature lotions are submitting for the coupons.com app. So make sure you are scanning them on the app first to make sure you will get that $2 back over on coupons.com. So total back in rebates that I got was $32.95. If you subtract that from what I paid in store of $38.94, everything that you see here was just $5.99 for about 18 items or 33 cents each. Now, if I would have gotten the $1.50 back bonus for the Purdue chicken nuggets, it would have been $4.49 for about 18 items or 25 cents each. Now, that's not a bad deal. Definitely, if you don't have any Fetch gift cards or any Shopkick swag books or Ibotta gift cards to use in your shopping trip, that was definitely a great deal. I went ahead and used a $5 gift card that I picked up over on Fetch. So my final cost was just 99 cents for all the items that you see here. And if I get that $1.50 bonus for the Purdue chicken, it will be completely free and a 51-cent moneymaker. So I'm really happy with everything I picked up today. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys to complete your bonus. Remember, you guys can refer back to some of my other Ibotta hauls. A lot of the deals in those videos are still available on Ibotta. Hopefully on Thursday we will get some newer rebates. But in the meantime, you can refer back to those videos in case you need to finish up more offers for your bonuses. So I want to thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Be blessed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.